A.B.B Studios. What do we got today, buddy?
Snackles, and this Winnie the Pooh had to sing the music.
Snackles and Winnie the Pooh head. Yay!
He can play music if you press the little music note thing up here.
Yeah.
It plays music. Oh.
Cool, man.
This is not what we're here for.
So tonight is a snackle kind of night. How many snackles do we have?
4.
4 of them.
This is going to be the most popular videos.
Hey, I know people love their snackles, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's rip them open. I hope you get all new ones.
Yeah, we have never got any repeats.
Oh, we haven't on snackles?
No. We have our first snackle already.
Our first snackle, yay! All right, what do you got? Oh!
Man, you already have this one.
Oh, you have this one? It's all right. Oh, it's Mike and Ike. He's still pretty cool, right?
Yeah. Open the surprise snack pack.
What do you think about me making up a song for Snackle? We love our Snackle. We love our Snackles. How about that?
That's a better song than normal.
Oh, yeah. Usually Martin doesn't like my songs. Do 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 do. All right, ready for ball number 2?
So we have Collector's Guide.
Cool.
Stories.
Oh, stories? Okay.
And 2 stickers.
And 2
the
stickers.
Surprise snack pack.
Awesome, dude. That's really cool.
A lot of it doesn't all need to be right here. Which one is ready to go? This one?
Sure. Oh, this one's ready to go too. It's on this side. All right. Snackle ball number 2.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. What do you think of him?
Good.
He's cool too. He's Hershey's.
I tried to open our surprise snack pack. It was kind of hard, but somehow I got the other one.
Okay.
Can you please open the surprise snack pack?
I was going to say, I have complete faith in you. Here.
And same thing, stories. This is a lot of them.
Okay.
That's the back of the stories that would show the whole story.
Awesome.
Collector's Guide.
And stickers, right?
Yeah.
Cool, man.
And here.
Okay. Hershey stickers and a Snackle stickers. Cool. Ball number 3. Oh. Oh, wow, look at him.
Yeah, he's a big one. And it actually says on the side, unbox me. I double in size. This one does not have them. This one has the Pringles.
Oh, let's see him. What's he oh, is he holding a Subway sub?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So sub actually looks so real.
It does, right? There, put him on the side. He's cool, man.
Surprise snack pack.
I think I like him the best so far. What do you think?
Yeah.
Oops.
Can you please open?
Yeah. Here.
There. we go. What's this? Yeah, this side. Collector's Guide.
Cool.
Stories.
Cool. Look at that Subway sandwich. I want to eat it.
And 2 stickers. They always have the Snackle stickers and the snack.
Oh, cool. And he comes with a Subway sticker because he comes with the Subway sandwich. Cool, man.
Okay. So we have our final ball.
Final ball.
Man.
Let's see, who is it? Ah, that's it. What he's got? What does he have this time? A push pop.
You did get 2 new ones.
Yeah.
But these guys are the same. These 2 are the same.
Yeah, but they got
They
different
have
snacks, right? Hence the name Snackles. I think it was a good haul.
Yeah, that was a long one.
Yeah.
This was a long video.
So who's your your favorite one you got tonight?
Push Pops.
This is your favorite one, the push pop?
Yeah.
Really?
Collector's Guide. Stories.
And I bet we get a push pop sticker.
Yeah. And here we go. The last thing, stickers.
Cool, man. I love me some Snackles. How about you?
Yeah.
So, I think we're going to film a video tomorrow night. We're going to have a surprise for people. We're going to have a new mini brand ball. A new kind.
Yeah. And this is a different type of Foodie mini brand.
It is.
You probably do not know about Foodie mini brands. You've never done them on this channel.
Oh, foodies? I love the Foodie mini brand. But hopefully tomorrow night we'll be filming a video that's going to be really cool too. So what do you say to everybody, bud?
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Thank you, everybody.